हेलो दोस्तों, नमस्कार। स्टडी बाबा एजुकेशन में आपका स्वागत है। नाउ वी आर स्टार्टिंग ए न्यू इनिशिएटिव लाइक रिवीजन थ्रू एमसीक्यूज। इट्स ए कंपाइलेशन ऑफ 2021 जनवरी बिकॉज वी आर स्टार्टिंग दैट रिवीजन थ्रू एमसीक्यूज पर डे बेसिस पे, बिकॉज हम पर डे 10 क्वेश्चंस करेंगे ऑन द बिहाफ ऑफ पर डे बेसिस। आई थिंक इट्स वेरी क्रूशियल एंड वेरी इनोवेटिव आइडिया एंड इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर आवर एग्जाम्स बिकॉज एग्जाम काफ़ी नज़दीक भी है। सो नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट विदाउट वेस्टिंग आवर टाइम। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज कि कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट रिगार्डिंग सुभाष चंद्र बोस। फर्स्ट वन इज he became the president of INC for 2 consecutive years, that is right. And second is the idea of the Indian National Army was first conceived by Subhash Chandra Bose, that is wrong. And third one is he opposed the dominion status as proposed in the Nehru report, that is also right. So answer is that ki what is the above statement is correct, that is B 1 and 3. So I am explaining this कि the idea of creating an army out of the Indian prisoner of war, that was Mohan Singh, and become the president of INC, that is 2 times, 2 consecutive years. First one is in 1938 Subhash Chandra Bose became the president of INC at Haripur session, and second time is in 1939 Subhash Chandra Bose again became the president of INC by defeating Gandhi's candidate Pattabhi Sitaram Maya. And third one is talking about dominion status. Obviously, in 1928, Subhash Chandra Bose and also Jawaharlal Nehru opposed the dominion status as proposed in the Nehru report. And second is detached clouds in. Second question is detached clouds in the form of white delicate filaments, mostly white patches or narrow bands. These clouds are always composed of ice crystals and their transparent character depends upon the degree of separations of the crystal. As a rule, when these clouds cross the sun's disk, they hardly diminish its brightness. When they are exceptionally thick, they may veil its light and obliterate its counter. So these are talking about कि what the given descriptions refer to which of the following clouds. So you know that are talking about composed of ice crystal and the transparent character and degree of separation of the crystal, that is relate on cirrus clouds, that is relate on cirrus cloud, because high level clouds that is called cirrus and cirrocumulus and cirrostratus are high level clouds, and you know that they are typically thin and white in appearances, but it can appear in a magnificent array of colors when the sun is low on the horizon. And the detached clouds in the form of white, delicate filaments, mostly white patches or narrow bands, they may have a fibrous like hair-like or silky sheen appearances. Now I am talking about cirrus clouds. You know, cirrus clouds are always composed of ice crystal and their transparent character depend of the degree of separation of the crystal. Now I am talking about third question is anemia. Anemia is caused due to the deficiency of, you know what is deficiency of? Deficiency of iron. Because of, you know what is the Indian context, because the National Family Health Survey 2019 and 20, Indian women and children are highly overwhelming anemic because of that lack of anemia. The condition of having lower and normal number of RBCs. RBCs called that red blood cells or quantity of hemoglobin, because it's factor that a diet which does not contain enough iron, enough folic acid or vitamin B12 is a common cause of anemia. And why anemia is so high in our country? Because of iron deficiency and vitamin B12 deficiency anemia are the 2 common types of anemia in India, because among women iron deficiency prevalence is higher than men due to the menstrual iron losses and the high iron demands of a growing fetus during pregnancies. That is the basic reason, that is the highly effective reason of iron deficiency. Now fourth question is with reference to the global housing technology challenges. Consider the following statement. First one is, it is an initiative of Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Second is, one of the components of the global housing technology challenges is Grand Expo and Conference. So your answer is that answer is both are right, because both are is right. First one is right. Key feature of global housing technology challenges are, it is the initiative of Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs and it launched in 2019. The challenges undertaken under the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, क्योंकि प्रधानमंत्री आवास योजना अर्बन and global housing technology challenges aims to fast track the construction of affordable housing, and it's the target of consecutive 2 crore houses by constructing 2 crore houses by 2022. And India has following 3 components. First one is conduct of Expo cum conference. Second is identifying proven demonstrable technologies, and third one is establishment of affordable sustainable housing acceleration India, like ASA under. So that is called explanation of the global housing technology challenges. And fifth one is, what is SIAC NG? SIAC NG is sometimes seen in news because of that it is the India's indigenously developed air droppable container. SIAC NG is that India's air droppable container. So I am explaining that SIAC NG is India's first indigenously designed and developed air droppable container, because it has a GPS aided air dropped container with the capacity to carry a payload of 50 kilograms and drop from a heavy aircraft. It is successfully conducted by the DRDO along with the Indian Navy. DRDO and Indian Navy के साथ इसको क्या है, बनाया गया है, कंडक्ट किया गया है. 6 one is, which of the following groups represent neighboring countries of Argentina? कि which is the countries neighboring of Argentina? So that is called, you know, the Brazil, Bolivia, Paraguay and Chile is the neighboring country of Argentina. Because Argentina, why is news? Because Argentina, I'm talking about Argentina's legalization of abortion. It has legalized abortion up to 14th week of pregnancy. It is in news recently. 7 is, next question is, consider the following statement about index of 8 core industries. What is 8 core industries? First one is, ICI, the index of 8 core industries provides an advanced indication of predictions of performance of industries of core nature before the release of index of industrial production. The index is, second is, index is compiled and released by SCO, यानी कि Central Statistic Office. Third one is, refining products are not part of 8 core industries. So you can refine that. Third one is wrong, because refinery products are the part of the 8 core industries. So you can eliminate these third option. So you can answer easily that question, because first one is right answer. Because of that, the objective of ICI is to provide an advanced indication of production is the core nature before the release of IIP, Index of Industrial Production. The index is compiled and released by Office of the Economic Advisor. Office of the Economic Advisor, not the Central Statistical Office. So second is also wrong. The first is right answer. You know, the 8 core industries comprises nearly 40% of the weight of items, and 8 core sector industries include coal, crude oil, natural gas, refinery products, fertilizers, steel, cement and electricity. So fertilizers and electricity, also refinery products is the part of 8 core industries. Next question is 8th question. Bolivia is a landlocked country. Bolivia is a landlocked country and Brazil shares border with all South American countries except Chile. So that is, what is the statement, right or wrong? तो यू नो फर्स्ट इज सही, यानी कि फर्स्ट इज राइट। बोलिविया इज ए लैंडलॉक कंट्री एंड ब्राज़ील डज नॉट शेयर विद द साउथ अमेरिकन कंट्रीज, यानी ब्राज़ील जो है, ब्राज़ील शेयर बॉर्डर विद ऑल साउथ अमेरिकन कंट्रीज एक्सेप्ट चिली एंड इक्वाडोर, क्योंकि चिली के साथ ब्राज़ील जो है इक्वाडोर के साथ भी बॉर्डर शेयर नहीं करता। बोलिविया इज ए लैंडलॉक कंट्री बॉर्डर्ड बाय ब्राज़ील, पैराग्वे, अर्जेंटीना, चिली एंड पेरू, because Paraguay is the only other landlocked country in South America. Bolivia or Paraguay with two countries is landlocked countries. Next question is 9. Or Gaza Strip often seen news and share borders with the which of the following countries territories. So select the correct answer using the code below. The first one is Israel, second Egypt, third in Syria, fourth in Jordan. तो आंसर इज डी, फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड, यानी कि जो गाजा स्ट्रैप इज बॉर्डर शेयर विद इजराइल एंड इजिप्ट, बिकॉज गाजा स्ट्रैप इज ए सेल्फ गवर्निंग पैलेस्टीनियन टेरिटरी ऑन द ईस्टर्न कोस्ट ऑफ द मेडिटेरियन सी, सो इट बॉर्डर इजिप्ट ऑन द साउथ वेस्ट एंड इजराइल ऑन द ईस्ट एंड नॉर्थ. गाजा एंड द वेस्ट बैंक आर क्लेम्ड बाय द स्टेट ऑफ पैलेस्टाइन. सो इजराइल एंड इजिप्ट shares the border with Gaza Strip. And last question is, recently is considered in South China Sea following the statement. So Spratly Island is located in East China Sea and Socotra Island is located in Indian Ocean. The state of Hormuz is a state between the Persian Gulf and the Gulf of Oman. So which of the statement given the correct answer? So you know guys, Spratly Island is located in South China Sea, not in East China Sea. So first one is, you can easily eliminate this. So answer is B, 2 and 3. Yani Socotra Island is located in Indian Ocean and state of Hormuz is a state between the Persian Gulf and the Gulf of Oman. Because Spratly Islands is a disputed archipelago in South China Sea composed of islands between the coast of Philippines, Malaysia and southern Vietnam. And state of Hormuz is a state between the Persian Gulf and Gulf of Oman. And Socotra, also called Socotra, located between the Guardia-Fui Channel and the Arabian Sea, is the largest island of 4 islands in the Socotra archipelago. So thank you guys. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.